Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, January 1st, 2025, we are going to Pangasinan. In Pangasinan, I have a Mark's brother-in-law. We are going to visit them. This is the first time I'm going there. I don't know what is the place look like. I didn't plan for this. It's going to be fantastic. So I'm going to enjoy today. Hey, Yan Yan! Hi! Alright, right now time is 10:50. We are just leaving Nagalabragan. I think maybe 1.5 hours to reach over there. Let's see how it goes. Right now it's 11 a.m. We are crossing Gimba. This town is my favorite town. Me and this town have a lot of history. Right now I don't want to go into it. Maybe some other time we discuss about that in the future. This is the closest town. We have to come over here to purchase the household needs every month. Time to fill up the gas. On the way, we are picking up Sonia's mother, sister and her kids.
Ma! Haika! Haika!
They are all very wonderful people. On the way, we have to cross Kuyapo. In this place, you have a tallest and longest zipline in Nevesia. The zipline located at Mount Bulale is situated 280 meters above the sea level and the length of the zipline 560 meters. Maybe February I go there and explore this place. Please wait for that video. It is coming soon. Today pretty sunny day. You can see that we are officially leaving Nevesia province, which is one of the biggest rice plantation in Philippines. Right now we reach the location Labuan, which looks very beautiful. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe the channel would be awesome. Thank you. It is nice, see that?
We are here at Labuan, Umingan, Pangasinan.
Ah, that's fantastic.
Yeah. O, balian ni maano ka?
Mark is worried about the ground clearance of the vehicle because from the road to land, it is very slow. Not yet. Little bit. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Audrey, you like it?
Hi.
Wow. It's already relaxing it, huh? Shai, you like it? Mark is coming over here. Of course, let it try. Yeah, that's a grilled fish.
Oh, this is yummy.
Yeah.
Hot fish. Ito pa ipadas na.
As usual, Sonia is the first one.
Kaya natin agpaspas yan.
Akan dyan may sangay na barong malayan.
Tambong.
Ah! My favorite.
Ay, kaya na.
So, fried fish, I have pork, I have rice, I have small chili over there, then cabbage and grilled fish. So, that's the one we are going to eat right now. See Mark here, everyone there. It's good. The fish, fantastic. Pork also very soft and very nice. Grilled fish. With chili?
Ado abalayan ni. Ado mo yan. Kaya ni peng ate ni Jenny. Dabasan. Balayan? Ada kasi anak balik ka anak kami Jay bakit na. Ada Singapore Jay bakit na.
This is buko salad. Especially after you eat your food, you finish with the buko salad, that's going to be fantastic. It's complete.
dede ka natin eh.
Sometimes I wanna run to you. Go, music my control. I'm promising your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't
That's cool.
Here.
Yeah. This is my favorite tampon. They call Bilo Bilo. Yeah, this is one of my favorite dish. Tastes fantastic. Everyone should try it. This is the last piece. I'm going to have the last piece.
Oh, you will finish.
You want this? San Miguel. Apple flavor. This is the brand.
Pinapakita iwas sa iyong salita, pero ayaw ko magduda pag galing sa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana'y maisin ng aking pangungulila. Sabi sa right wanna wake up, let this dream, baby. Ayoko umasa sa paniniwala.
That is yours.
Sa paniniwala. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan niya ba aaminin kanyang tunay na pagkiling?
Okay, good job. Yeah, we'll come back again. Sure. Okay. Now 3:20. We are leaving from here.
Seniors from Labuan.
Wow, that is fantastic. It's a beautiful place. It's a dream come true. As far as you can see, rice field and the mountain. The scenic view is mind blowing. Look how beautiful it is. Here. Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay. 3:20. We are leaving this place for Labuan. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.